Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to rename standard shipping to free 3-day delivery using the Next Reorder app. So a clear shipping name help customer understand your offer and can encourage more orders. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So here in shipping method, click on it and click on quick rename shipping method. So to configure the rule, here we can change the rule name like rename standard shipping. Okay, now the rule status is activated. Shipping method, here I am choosing standard shipping. So here we can change this to free 3-day delivery. So before that, we can go to the checkup and let's check what is it before. Yeah, it is in standard shipping. So now we can click on save and let's see if it is changed or not. Okay, the rule has been created. Go to the checkout and let refresh. Okay, here we can see it is free 3-day delivery. So it is instead of standard, it is changed. So now it is better and it is very helpful for customer to understand fast. So that's it. So this worked best for flatbread shipping method. So some carrier managed shipping name can't be fully renamed because of Shopify built-in limitations. So that's it. Now you have successfully renamed standard shipping using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.